This video explains what the Slide Master in PowerPoint 365 is and how to create one effectively. The Slide Master is a powerful feature that helps maintain consistent formatting throughout a presentation. Instead of adjusting fonts, sizes, and colors slide by slide, you can set these elements once in the Slide Master, saving time and ensuring uniformity. To create a Slide Master, go to the View tab and select Slide Master. Here you can customize the font styles, sizes, colors, and other formatting settings that will apply to all slides based on that master layout. This allows you to have a cohesive and professional look across your entire presentation without having to manually edit each slide. After making your desired changes in the Slide Master view, simply close the master view by selecting Close Master View. All your slides will automatically update to reflect the formatting settings you applied. Using Slide Master improves productivity by reducing repetitive tasks and ensures your presentation has a polished, consistent appearance. Mastering this feature is essential for anyone creating professional presentations in PowerPoint 365.